Greetings, vac fans. By viewer request, I have a Hoover Windtunnel 2 high capacity PET. Well, that's a long name. So let's see what this 52 nozzle CFM bagless machine. I see these things for sale in grocery stores for like 69 bucks sometimes. Let's see what it can do. Done so many of these tests, I'm going to have to get more flour. I have a little container here with flour in it. It's a Pampered Chef container. And then under the carpet last, I'm going to do a slow-mo. There we go. Alright, let's see what happens. Well, we have a fairly aggressive brush roll. The top of the carpet, that's not bad. Yep, that's actually pretty good. You can obviously see what it missed here. And you can see there's a line underneath there. I wonder what that means. That means, yep, didn't do anything. So, might have attempted something. Really, I think the weight of the vacuum just squashed it. So, this is somewhat clogged here, but honestly, it's just really smashed straight down there. So there you go. And coming behind this review, I have a Hoover Windtunnel Max multicyclonic. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.